Today we're going to be showcasing this 5-bedroom house located on Paddington Terrace in the Kingston 6 area. This house has approximately 4,500 square feet of living space and it's on the market for 120 million Jamaican dollars. This house consists of 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a living area, dining area, a kitchen, a balcony, a laundry area, and a carport. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this house. Now, this house has been completely remodeled with porcelain tiles, a brand new kitchen, and updated bathrooms. So let's go take a look. First, we have the living and dining area. And the next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth. And this is the 5th bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third bathroom, fourth, and this is the 5th bathroom. Next, we head to the balcony. And lastly, the additional perk that you would get by living in this gated community is that there is a swimming pool. That will then bring us to the end of the tour. So if you are interested in this house, a quick reminder, it is on the market for 120 million Jamaican dollars. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for the house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one.